Hello, welcome to Leetcode 75 day 9. I'm doing find the difference between the two arrays. This is problem number 2215. So basically we're given two zero-indexed integer arrays, nums1 and nums2. We have to return a list answer of size 2 where the answer of 0 is a list of all the distinct integers in nums1 which are not present in nums2, and answer of 1 at index 1 is a list of all distinct integers in nums2 which are not present in nums1. So we have to note that integers in the list may be returned in any order. Okay, so for example 1, we have 1, 2, 3, and we have nums2 which has 2, 4, and 6. So answer at index 0 is going to be everything in nums1 that is not in nums2, which is 1 and 3. And then for the first index in the answer, it's going to be everything that's in nums2 that is not in nums1, which is 4 and 6. And we have example 2, so that means that when we have duplicate values as well, we only want to return one of them. So to answer this, we're just going to be using Python, just using like some of the data structures that you can use that comes like within the native methods of Python. So that's just the concept of sets, where that's how we're able to kind of look at all of these distinct integers in nums1 and nums2. So we turn nums1 and nums2 into sets, so we only get their distinct integers, and then we can return them out into the answer as well. And now in order to get the answer array for index 0 and index 1, what we'll do here is we'll do an operation called set difference, which essentially will just return all of the elements within a certain set. It depends on which set you are subtracting from. So the first operand of the set difference will be the one that's having all of their elements keeping track of, and that will be the final output. And the second one with the second operand is where that is the set where we're just subtracting all of the elements out of, if that makes sense. So if we had set 1 minus set 2, then we would get all of set 1's elements and remove all of set 2's elements from set 1. So we'll just return, so that means we'll just return everything that is in set 1 that isn't in set 2. Okay, so that's important to note, because that's how we're going to be able to demonstrate how we're returning all of a certain integer array, which is not present in the other one. So in order to create our two sets here, we can use set 1 and set 2, which is equal to set of nums1, and we have set of nums2. And to get the set difference, all we have to do is just return as a list here. We have to convert the set back into a list. So set 1 minus set 2, and we can return a list to get answer at index 1, set 2 minus set 1. And that'll be the solution to this problem.